Every YouTube expert will tell you the same thing. High CTR means more views, nail your thumbnail, gets the clicks, and YouTube will push your video. I ran 6 weeks of data proving that's not the whole story. Because if CTR is king, why did my video with the highest CTR die completely, while a video with half that CTR got pushed to over 1,400 views? I know what it's like to spend hours on a thumbnail, feel genuinely proud of it, hit upload, and watch the video flatline. You start questioning everything, your taste, your instinct, your approach. I did that across 6 videos back to back, and I still couldn't figure out the pattern. But what if CTR was never the main signal YouTube uses to decide who sees your video? And the thing that actually matters is something else nobody actually is optimizing for. What I found by accident across these 6 weeks is that YouTube doesn't just push videos with good metrics. It pushes videos it actually understands. And if your title, your script, and your metadata aren't giving YouTube a clear enough picture of who this video is for, it doesn't matter how good your thumbnail is, the video disappears anyway. So let me walk you through all 6 videos one by one, because the pattern only becomes obvious when you see them laid out together. Okay, to start, let me share the first video I launched. This video in the first 14 hours had only 2.2% CTR and average view duration of 3 minutes and 17 seconds and only 457 views. This is way below my average, so I thought this was another big fail. But just 2 days after that, it suddenly hit over 1,400 views, even though CTR and average view duration is still low. This is a little strange, isn't it? Well, for some reason, the views increase is because YouTube decided to give more impressions to this video, a slight push if you will. So that video went from starting as a failure to suddenly becoming great. Was it because I didn't use A/B testing? It could be, but we'll have to see what happens in the second video. For this, the video got over 1,000 views after 2 days. This here is a little different. It only hit 1,000 views after 2 days, but on the first day, it only got 600 views. I thought this was date on arrival too. But again, it kept growing, and that's actually a good sign. I do not want sudden spikes then plateau. I want steady, consistent growth every day, and this video did it right. But this video's CTR is pretty high. 6% on the third day, and yeah, it makes sense that it gets more views. Then 3 videos in a row just died. Different thumbnails, different CTR numbers. One of them I was genuinely proud of, and none of them got pushed. And the frustrating part is the metrics weren't even bad, but I couldn't find a pattern no matter how hard I looked. So this video, again, I just can't help it. I like the left and right comparison thumbnail, so I just had to do it again. But this video started off strong, 5.1% CTR. View duration is below 4 minutes, but check it out, over 500 views in the first 24 hours. So things are looking good. Then second day, 856 views. CTR dropped to 4.4%, and I guess this is where it stops. Based on my experience, 4.4% CTR seems to be the number that kills the video. But hey, what do we have here? Over 1,000 views at 4.2% CTR. Turns out the video worked. Most importantly, the thumbnail I love worked. So that's my entire test. 3 out of 6 videos got over 1,000 views, and that to me is a win. We also saw that a new video is not dead in the first 24 hours. In fact, you sometimes need to wait up to 48 hours before the video gets pushed by YouTube. But what I don't get though is it doesn't look like high CTR or watch duration matter that much. I mean, we saw that a video with high CTR did not get pushed, whereas a video with low CTR got pushed the most. Let's go back to the first video for a second. Something is very odd with this test. CTR is low for the first 24 hours, the lowest of all my 6 videos. But why did it work? Why of all videos this one got pushed? From what I gathered, high CTR doesn't automatically translate to more impressions and subsequently more views. I think I've shown you that. But if you look at all 6 of those videos together, the first video stood out not because it has a nicer thumbnail, but because the title of that video is much more intriguing. I think what happened here is the title and thumbnail suck. That's why the CTR is low. I think that still contributed to low views. But what's more important here is I feel that the YouTube algorithm actually failed to understand what my videos were about. out of all 6 of those videos, the first video somehow is clear to YouTube and therefore the algorithm knows who to push the video to. So it seems like YouTube doesn't just push your video because you have a good metric. YouTube can only push your video if it understands what your video is about. And to do that, usually it requires the right metadata. So first, I believe your title carries the most weight, followed by what you say in your video because YouTube transcribes and uses it. Then finally, YouTube uses your description and keywords to further understand. If the algorithm can't understand, then even if your CTR is high, YouTube still doesn't know who is the right audience and therefore doesn't know who to push your video to. So this sort of comes back to having a proper video structure, having a clear title that is obvious and straightforward to make it easy for YouTube to do its job. And you need to make the topic extremely clear as well, or your video fades away to oblivion. If that is indeed the case, that is going to be my next test. So I'm going to go through the experiments again for the next couple of weeks. Once the video is ready, you will be able to watch it over here. But if it isn't, then this video here will be replaced by my previous A/B testing experiment, just in case you haven't watched it yet. Watch it and have a good laugh at my own misery. Alright, that's all from me in this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.